Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel for the first festive episode of Drawing with Inky this holiday season. Today, we aren't going to be drawing at all.
Got it. No drawing. Wait, what?
Well, today we're going to learn how to make paper snowflakes.
Let me get my scissors. Okay, got it.
Well then, let's go. In order to finish your snowflake, the first step you have to do is cut your paper so it's square shaped. If your paper is already square shaped, you don't have to do this step. In order to make it square shaped, you fold this corner here so it's touching the edge. Then flatten this part out. The next thing that you do is snip off the top part.
Always be careful when using scissors. You should probably use kid scissors. If you're a kid, that is.
And if this part is overlapping, cut that off too. And then unfold it, and you can see your paper is square shaped.
Be there or be square. That's what I always say.
And fold it again. And for the next step, fold it another time. Put this part up. And this one over it. If this is uneven here, then you fold it again. And this time, make it less uneven. The next step is you chop off this part. You want to be very careful, making sure not to cut this part. Now, here's the fun part. You get to cut it into the shape of a snowflake. If you want to do a simple snowflake, then you cut here at the top, cut this out, and this, do a line going back to here. And do a few more cuts like this.
Now, you gotta cut loose, foot loose, kicked off the Sunday shoes. You know what robots wear in the snow?
What, Inky?
Row boots.
Then, you can do a big cut here. And you can begin cutting out every other one of these. Try to be neat with this. Also, make sure to clean up all these parts here after you're done.
What's it gonna look like? The anticipation is killing me.
Be patient, Inky. You're almost done. And the moment of truth, you unfold it. See what your snowflake looks like. Try not to rip it. That's how you make a paper snowflake. I'm going to show one other trickier design after this. I've already folded it like I did in the earlier part of the video. So, the first thing you're going to do is cut the top so it goes like this. And the same thing on the other side. And you can do another one of these on the side here. You take it out, and you can keep doing some of these. And when you unfold it, it's gonna look pretty cool.
I can't wait!
Of course, you can find other designs on the internet, but I just came up with these ones. So.
Gosh, your hands must be tired from all that cutting.
You can make your snowflakes look like people, animals, or even Star Wars creatures.
Or monsters, of course.
After you've done some of these, you can start doing triangles in here.
You know what the triangle said to the circle?
What, Inky?
You're pointless.
You do one little one and one tiny one. And a shape like this here. Finally, you can unfold it to see what it looks like. And you should be careful because this one is delicate. And this is what your snowflake should look like. And that's all for these snowflakes. I hope you had fun making them. If anybody has any suggestions for what I should make next, please email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. And keep on drawing, or cutting things out of paper. And happy holidays!